Hi, welcome back. We are at the last outline of section 1, what is research problem, in chapter 3, research topic and literature review. This quick review on a research focus in this outline is going to be something not much of details, but I would like to say that we are going to look at new vocabularies here, maybe terminologies, but I promise you we're going to use them in a practical way, and we're going to explore the meaning of them and the implications of each one of them. But I just wanted to bring them here, so once we reach to the stage to use them, they will make much more sense. So as the outline suggests in this section, it's focus. I'm not gonna stress the importance of focus, how important it is as a first step for any research, actually for any solution of a problem that you set your journey to find a solution for. Focus is the most centric point, and I see many research have failed to either to deliver the expected result or even to proceed further because they didn't really have focus. You have business models failed because they didn't have specific focus. So focus is really, really important. The second important step is to have sort of guidelines, some principles. The first principle may be you must understand and you must read about general background about the problem. Imagine the previous outline, I give you an example. If you are a programmer and you are using, for example, X programming language, you must understand the general background about programming in general, and then in particular the background of the programming language X that you are using, and then you start to go narrow it down until the focus is centered around the problem that you are trying to find solution for. Next thing, you have to identify useful keywords for the literature research. And now this is the first new vocabulary I was saying. But for now, imagine literature means the history. You need a preliminary search on available or similar solution that have been done before. And of course, you must understand this search must also include available literature, again, related to the historical background. Next is to define the topic as a question. You have to be specific. I'm trying to find what, when, how, where. And this later we're going to use the conceptual, and this is the new vocabulary, as I said, and theoretical framework. Once again, we're going to discuss these both framework. There is a dedicated chapter for them. And also you have to have, as the research question or the framework is articulated at this point, you must revisit the literature or the historical background on the research, and later you will find out why. Because at this stage you are ready to start, and then you need historical data, you need something, what it's been done before, by whom. And of course, finally, maybe you can look at formulating a testable hypothesis. And this is a very important stage, especially when you are conducting the research at some point, as it's a structure. So this was a quick review actually on the meaning of research focus. And I believe by the end of this outline, we are ready to move to the second section of chapter 3, and that is conduction of the literature review. I will see you then.